Abot. I'm finished. You know. Oh, better fish. You know.
Wow.
Medal na naman. Parang si Kaloy.
Wow.
5K. Oh. Hello guys, this is your host Tito Nelius and welcome to my second 5K run here at Hoka Trilogy Run Asia 2024.
Wow.
So for any sporting event, you need to have a warm-up, diba? Good warm-up para maiwasan yung injuries and to have some stretching as well, diba? At syempre, to have some fun with my two boys and together with this running community, diba?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, takbo na!
As what I mentioned earlier, this is my second marathon race this 2024. Kaya my plan is or strategy is to run as much as I can at i-minimize ang pag-walk, diba? Ayan, 1 kilometer na ako. Bilis, pero syempre, mas maraming magagaling at mahihilig mag-run sa akin, diba? Kaya ayan, naiwan ako. Pero tatakbo ko dahil may pulis, diba? Takbo! Same route pala ang ating ginawa dito sa 5K marathon sa Hoka. Pero ito yung gusto kong lugar. Yung tatawid ko sa bridge over not troubled water, diba? Pero ang presko sunrise. At kita mo na agad malapit-lapit na yung finish line. Pero nasa kabila pa. So kailangan tumakbo ka pa.
It's a long way. About 1.5 kilometer before entering this village. So run. 46 minutes and 39 seconds. Almost same record. 5 bars, 5K run. Let's run. Hindi pa sila Hoka na. Sabi. Last turn. Go guys. Push. Stretch.
At eto nga, ilang hakbang na lang ay may tapsilog na ako. Napabilis pa yung aking pagtakbo pa finish line.
Konti na lang. Push. There's a finish line. Kay Kaloy. Para kay Kaloy.
Carlos Yulo, 2-time gold medalist in Paris 2024 Olympics, diba? You know.
Gold kay Kaloy. Oh, better fish. You know. Guys, I did it. I thought I'm not gonna finish in less than 1 hour, but I did it in 58 minutes. 1 minute earlier than doing previous run. At 59.32.
Medal na naman. Parang si Kaloy.
Para ka nasa Paris 2024 marathon race, oh, di ba? Sponsored by Gatorade and Fit Bar. Siyempre, yung La Mineral and Sidebar. 5K? Oh. Guys, so, another naman display. Hello pa lang, another display. Yun o. Congratulations. We did it in 58 minutes. The last time, 59 minutes, 0.33, 5 kilometer race. Pasok. Pasok na pasok sa isang oras. Diba? Run Rio! Ayan o. Parang Rio Olympics. Pero ngayon, Paris. Nasa Paris 2024 tayo ngayon. What a day. Nice weather. Great crowd. And syempre, si Tito Nelius still alive. Yun no. Oh, syempre ito yung favorite ko, yung banana pulp. Pwede bang ano, B1, B2? Ito B1, B2. Thank you. Ito ang kailangan, potassium. After a great run. Oh, syempre yung paborito ko Mountain Dew. Pero not today. Diet food. That crowd. Winner. Winner. Winner itong lahat.
At syempre, I'm the winner here. 5K finisher, diba? With my 2 sons on running shoes. Ayan kami. O, lahat may medal. And with some of my friends, diba? Kaya running is for family and for friends, diba? Kaya tara na! Pero syempre, the night before the 5K marathon, 1,100 steps pa lang ako. Kaya dapat dito pumunta ako sa Parkal para maglakad-lakad ng at least mga 5 steps bago mag-race ako. Kinabukasan, di ba? Yun no. At may akong marketplace, tamang-tama. Bibili muna ako ng mga stops na kailangan ko. Number 1, saging, o, di ba? Ano, may dison. Masarap yan. At fresh na fresh pa, di ba? At syempre, kailangan din natin ng mga power drinks, di ba? Pero syempre, not Red Bull at hindi Monster, di ba? Monster. At syempre, yun na lang Gatorade, syempre, sponsored ng Run Rio at Poca Sweat, di ba? Syempre, papawisan ako, di ba? At ayun, no? Okay? Love it, marketplace, di ba? Ayan. O, syempre, magugutom ka, pero bawal kang makakuha ka na ng power mix ng mga nuts at gluten free pa, o, di ba? Para healthy, para after the race, baka ma-detox ka pa, di ba? At yan, pagkabili ko with breads for carbohydrates, di ba? Alis na tayo para maglakad-lakad pa more dito sa Parkal to meet my 5,000 steps goal for tonight before the race, di ba? Yun, no?
And walk. Sarap. Once I hit the 5,000, kakain ako. So that's my goal for today. Diba? Yun, no? Yun na dito. May sila parang plaza. Ayan. This is cool. Laki nito. Actually, it's about 2 or 3 story. Open air. So mostly the aircon is yung restaurants or shops na itself. May Coffee Bean. I saw earlier doon Starbucks. So pero para pa ditong tatawid-tawid ka, di ba? Gaya ko, tawid tayo. Pwede, sige. Paunahin na natin to. This is definitely will help. Ayun, no? Poker face daw, oh. Pero ganda dito, di mo, para ka na sa Vegas. Di ba yung strip? Yung strip sa Vegas, galing ko doon 2017 nata. So parang ganito yun, daming bars, pero syempre Philippines. Oh, pet friendly dito, ah. Ayan, oh, daming bar. Pagkitin mo yun sa taas, may iba kulay, oh. Diba, Serto A1, no? Shabu-shabu. Kasi ayun ang Starbucks, oh. I'm just walking, pero tomorrow I'll do walk and run. to be able to complete the 5K run, and at the same time to bring down my last record sa Gatorade run, which is 59 minutes and 33 seconds. So I should be aiming about 50 minutes to finish or to complete the 5-kilometer marathon for Hoka Run Asia Trilogy. You know, so I think I'm done here. Pero ando pa yung Parkal, oh. Ang layo pa hanggang doon sa Makapagpal. Pero dito ako ngayon sa kanilang parang plaza, oh. Maganda yung plaza nila, oh. May tambayan, ayun ang church, ayun, oh. Tapos may ganito, oh. Good for the kids, and, diba? Winner. Let's see. Ayan. So guys, kung gusto mo mag-walk, I think this is a good way. Kasi kaya inasakit ng ano ko, ankle, natapulok ako. But now, after walking for more than 5,000 steps na, I think I'm doing fine na. Ang ganda talaga dito sa Parkal, oh. I think yung stretch from the last portion up to dun sa Ross Boulevard, I think it could be about 1.5 kilometers, diba? So it's really a good thing for me. Pag-sakto. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go. Right. Titingnan mo, yun yung Solero. Ayun ang Ayala Mall. So ito yung ano, ganito fiery style, oh. May parang bar. Ayun ang Solero. Later on makita natin yung City of Dreams. Papunta doon. Diba? Galing dito. The Alley. Ayun ang City of Dreams. Ay, City of Dreams, eh. Ayun, no, Dream Play. Diba? Dream Play. You know.